Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hack, your YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit mrhack.io and become a member to access member-only content about cool apps and software. So this is Adidas Confirmed app. Recently is going in top charts in US. As you can see, number 3 in shopping charts, which is crazy. So why this app is going so viral? Uh, so basically it's a home of Adidas products, but of course there is a separate Adidas app, but this Confirmed app is just a home of the best exclusive products of Adidas. And you can sign up here and you can just never miss the new drop or some new exclusive sneaker or product. So and here in this app they just have a lot of different partnerships with different brands or maybe some influencers, and you can just buy unique models. So there you have it. So to install it on iOS, just tap here to install, and then then it starts installation. 145 megabytes, so pretty large app. But it has over 6.9k ratings, 4.6 like average rating. Okay, people are telling that it's one of the worst app, but still 5-star release. You can see more ratings. And yeah, so people are writing here that even if you get an email and you subscribe to their newsletter when the new drop is out and you open the email within 3 minutes, all the items are already sold out. So yeah, I think in most of apps like this, or in Nike app or in other apps with some like unique drops, you need to be extremely fast. The timing is like in seconds if you want to buy some exclusive sneaker and stuff like that. So here, let's just go and create an account. So I can just select the country, and then yeah, so this is the Adidas Confirmed, and then you can just set like the reminder when the drop is out. But then you need, of course, to create an account. So there you have it. So hope it is helpful, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Become a member on mrhack.io.